everybody, so I am back with a video, and I hope, because I say this in all my videos, that I'm doing fair amount of justice to doing and sort of living up to my promise of doing 2 videos per week. I'm trying to be consistent, and once again thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I have crossed over 500 subscribers in very little time, and I owe this to all you guys. But today's video, if we're gonna come back to it, because I can non-stop talk about all of this, I'm not going to take too much of your time. I want this to be a really quick video, like the super quick shopping I did at Forever 21. So this is not really a haul because I have not picked up too many things, but this can be probably a Forever 21 shopping quickie. So yeah, I have 3 bags in front of me right now, and I'm going to show you guys all the things that I have picked up before these things fall out. Okay. So the very first thing that comes in my hand is this really cute salmon pink pouch which says voila. That's a word that I use all the time, and if you read my blog posts, y'all would know that I love this word. I'm a French student. I've studied French for 5 years, so you know, somewhere down the line I do tend to incorporate some French words into my blog posts. That just happens. Trust me, it's not intentional. But nevertheless, I found this cute little purse thing is really cute, and I love the color, and this is not really expensive. This is priced at Rs 329 only, and the main purpose behind getting this cute little thing here was to keep my makeup brushes when I'm traveling. The next thing that comes out is a hair color set, which is pink in color. I love coloring my hair. I love coloring my hair so much. It's been almost about 10 odd years since I've been coloring my hair. Yes, I'm 24 and I first colored my hair when I was 14. Don't take my advice and do that. But honestly speaking, I have never had any issues you know, with my hair despite coloring them so much. I think I'm pretty fine with the way my hair is, and I love it. So yeah, I got this hair coloring set. It's really nice. It comes with 2 brushes and this really nice pink gold sort of mixing your colors, and this is priced at Rs 119 only. Okay. The next thing that I picked was this makeup brush keeper. I don't have, you know, a closed makeup brush stand or pouch, and when I'm traveling, I just thought that, you know, to just keep your brushes like that only in a purse, probably like the one that I just showed you guys before, it's just gonna sort of dirty the internal part of your bag purse wherever you're keeping it. So I think this is pretty cool enough to store your makeup brushes, and I thought I should just get it. And yeah, this I picked up for Rs 539. Okay. The next thing that comes out of this thing is a really nice, pretty pink, cute singlet that I purchased from these guys. This is not too expensive either. This is for 179 rupees. October heat has completely seeped in, and I have been having such a tough time because the weather here in Bombay is horrendous. It's really hot at all given point in time, even at night, you know. So I think things like these summer friendly outfits and clothes are the way to go to keep yourself sane this October. Okay, let's move on to the next bag. There's just one thing that's here, which is one of my favorite bags this time when I went to Forever 21. It's this really cute, cozy, comfortable, crocheted winter material long top, or even you can wear it like a dress which comes with a hoodie. I got this because I love winters, and unfortunately in Bombay we don't really have winters. But I'm lucky because a part of my family stays in Delhi, and it does tend to get really cold in Delhi. So I think this was just perfect, you know, a hot cup of coffee and this, and I think you're gonna have a fabulous winter. Okay, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the price. This I picked up for, I don't think it is very expensive, but I think quite expensive from the other things that I picked. This is for 1679 rupees. There's no sale going on, but if there was, I'm assuming there could have been a little discount. But nevertheless, I love Forever 21. Okay. Then the other thing that comes out is a very soothing peach colored casual dress. This is from their basics collection, and this I got just simply to wear it at home because it's getting really hot outside, and I think the more cotton and summer friendly clothes you're donning this summer, it's just going to be better for you because the weather is just soaring high. This is priced at rupees 429. Okay, the next two things that come out are nothing fancy. They're cycling shorts. I think it is very important for girls to own a nice pair of cycling shorts, especially if you love wearing dresses the way I do. These are priced at rupees 239 each. And the last thing that comes out, Forever 21 and no accessory is not possible. So I picked up these set of 1, 2, 3, 4 stone rings. These are priced at rupees 469. I think it's a total steal. 4 rings, so roughly about 120 bucks per ring. So I think that's a good deal. And yeah, that's about it. So this was my quick video on my Forever 21 shopping quickie. If you like the things I purchased, please do talk to me and let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel because I want more and more people following and being a part of Team TSC. And yeah, do come back for lots more. If you want me to do any particular video, leave that thought in the comment section below. Bye bye. See you. Take care.